Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use motion track for text in CapCut. Let's get started. First, start a new project in CapCut. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Go to the text section, click the small icon to add new text. Then type your desired text into a black box. Then customize your text. Choose a font, add a border under the text style option, pick a color that stands out on your video. Then resize and position the text where you want it to appear on screen. With the text selected, go to the tracking section. Click motion tracking. A yellow box will appear. Move it to the object you want the text to follow. Then click start to begin tracking. CapCut will automatically analyze the movement and pin the text to the object. Once it's finished, play the video to preview the result. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.